start with the fact that I made a mistake and I needed to fix it, and this took me about 25-35 minutes to figure out what the problem was. So in the code of home, let's go into the source code. I did something where I put the section class of this into the ID. I put it in the div and not in the section. So make sure that this is in the section and not in the class. It made a real difference when I was trying to use a media query. Now, media queries, let's just go and look at them. Media queries are really interesting little things. They're basically saying, hey, if you're going to, let me go back to my media query. If you're looking at a different size thing, let's make that look different. So what we're going to do is we're going to make ourselves a media query. So what you're seeing here, this media query is saying if the screen is only maximum width 600, the background color is going to turn blue. All right. So what I've done, and I've taken this code, and I will do this for you so you can see it in here. And I've gone into my Italy. Let me get rid of this because I just redid the whole thing. So let me get rid of the media query here so I can show it to you. So I put this in here like that. And that what it's going to do is say when the maximum width is 600, we're going to be turning light blue. We don't care about that. So we're going to take that out. And we're going to make this larger. And then we're going to grab the left and the right all the way down, everything about it, copy it, and drop it in here. So it's going to say if it's 600 width, it is going to change to these colors. All right. Now we're going to just double check this by making the background color on the right orange. And this one pink. And you should see it change. So let's save it. Let's go down here. Oops, I gotta go to my home. And I'm gonna go here, and I go into preview in browser. Oh, okay, Firefox, because I love Firefox. Okay, there it is. So I've got to fix that width a little bit there. I had played with the colors to get them look better. Got to do a little work there, but now when I go down here, if the gods are kind, when we hit a certain point, it turns pink, and they didn't go away. I had them working before. It's interesting. All right, let's look and see what we did wrong. All right, so orange, float width, left, right. Okay, I'm going to do edit, undo, because I redid edit, undo, edit, undo, edit, undo, edit, undo. All right, there's the medium query, how it worked. Now this one worked. So let's check and see if it's going to work here. All right. Now it works here. I'm not quite sure where I went wrong, but make sure your code looks like this. We go to my CSS and code down here. So it's after the footer, media only screen and maximum width, and then all of this stuff goes inside. I don't know where I went wrong, but that's what it should look like.